I am looking for this address. I am looking for this address. I am looking for this address.
这个座位在哪儿？
Where is the seat? Where is the seat? Where is the seat?
我想要一个靠窗的座位。
I would like a window seat. I would like a window seat. I would like a window seat.
我不要靠过道的座位。
I don't want an aisle seat. I don't want an aisle seat. I don't want an aisle seat.
我可以和您换一下座位吗？
May I change seats with you? May I change seats with you? May I change seats with you?
能给我一条毯子吗？
Would you get me a blanket, please? Would you get me a blanket, please? Would you get me a blanket, please?
能给我一个枕头吗？
Would you get me a pillow, please? Would you get me a pillow, please? Would you get me a pillow, please?
航班什么时候起飞？
When will the flight leave? When will the flight leave? When will the flight leave?
这是我的航班。
This is my flight. This is my flight. This is my flight.
我飞纽约。
I am flying to New York. I am flying to New York. I am flying to New York.
你会开车吗？
Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car?
“哪里能停车？”
Where can I park? Where can I park? Where can I park?